Okay, question 624. Fibonacci number line. Get the case number in the Fibonacci sequence. K is 0 indexed and the zeroth Fibonacci number is 0 and the first Fibonacci number is 1. So the function is Fibonacci. There's one input data that is integer k and the output data type is an integer. And the assumption here is that when k is less or equal to 0, we return 0. When k is 1, return 1. And for Fibonacci k is the sum of the two previous numbers. And the solution here is that we can use a for loop, and then in each loop we calculate the sum of the previous two numbers. At the same time, we remember previous two numbers for the next Fibonacci number. Okay, now looking into the code. So first is the assumption cases. When k is less or equal to 0, return 0. When k is 1, return 1. Then we set out a variable, previous 1 and previous 2, and then also the sum. So then we have a for loop starting with 2, and then I need to be less or equal to k. And in each loop, we calculate the sum of the previous two numbers. And then we remember the previous two number for the next Fibonacci number. And at the end, we return the sum. Okay, and then the time complexity of this function is O(n), because we have a for loop to start with 2 to k. And so that's O(n). The space complexity is O(1), because in each loop we don't create a new variable or a new object.